Welcome to DermWire News, powered by DermWire.com. DermWire News for Smart Speaker is made possible with advertising support from Dermatology. I'm Stephanie Talea, Senior Managing Editor of Practical Dermatology magazine. An experimental drug can successfully reverse hair loss, hair whitening, and skin inflammation linked by previous studies to human diets heavy in fat and cholesterol, according to a new Johns Hopkins study in mice. The investigators say the compound halts the production of glycosphingolipids, or GSLs, that are major components of skin and other cell membranes. Current research shows that mice fed a diet high in fat and cholesterol are more likely to have hair discoloration from black to gray to white, extensive hair loss, and inflammation of skin exhibited by multiple wounds. Feeding these animals the compound, however, appears to reverse such symptoms. The Hopkins investigators caution that such results in mice do not mean that the same effect would occur in people, and there is no evidence at this time that the compounds they used would be safe in people. But the findings, they say, do shed some light on possible pathways for addressing hair loss and skin wounds in humans with oral or topical medications. A report on the findings was published July 30th in Scientific Reports. Straight-line vector planning produces the ideal lifting effect and sets the stage for maximum collagen regeneration with the Silhouette Instalift, according to a study in the July 2018 issue of Journal of Drugs and Dermatology. The Silhouette Instalift uses resorbable suspension sutures with bidirectional cones to redefine the contours of the midface. The sutures lift and reposition tissue while the cones anchor the suture and facial skin in an elevated position. The sutures are absorbed over time, but the sutures and cones made of PLGA stimulate fibroblasts for gradual collagen maturation. With this dual mechanism of action, Silhouette Instalift delivers an immediate lift followed by an ongoing volumizing effect that improves with time. Drawing on their collective experience treating more than 500 men and women with Silhouette Instalift, researchers point out that sutures should be placed in a straight line that is perpendicular to the skin that requires lifting in order to maximize the mechanical lift and anchoring. If the goal is to lift the nasolabial folds, the sutures must be placed perpendicular to the lower part of the fold near the mouth for the most efficient pull on the tissues. The cones serve to anchor the sutures into this position. When the procedure is performed correctly and in the right individual, Silhouette Instalift results can last for 18 to 24 months. Silhouette Instalift can be used in combination with injectables and/or energy-based skin rejuvenation devices used on other areas of the face, avoiding the midface region, to achieve optimal non-surgical results for patients. In this study, there were no serious side effects seen in the 500 treated patients, and noticeable bruising occurred in just 5%. Thank you for listening to DermWire News, powered by DermWire.com. This editorially independent program is supported with advertising from Dermatology.